Hey, good morning, guys. A little bit of a late start for me, but here we are. Um, we're kind of at the level that I initially wanted to sell, like the naked VPOC from this day. But they're kind of pushing so hard that I'm not sure it will be so good. It seems more likely now that they just want to run the highs. So there would be like 58 with stops. But I am taking a closer look at it, because it will be an interesting level. I think 48 here, and then the highs are here at like 58, like 58 around here. So yeah, let's see how they respond. Because ideally you wanna if it's failed, like it's still bullish, right? But if it fails when they hit some stops above the 58s, then it might be a time for a reversal. But so far, same as yesterday, it's still very bullish. So let's see. I'm not like in a rush to take trades, and yeah, I'm gonna try not to let myself too forced to do trades just because I'm streaming. I guess that's the main takeaway. So I'm gonna take my time. I'm probably gonna turn the camera off and just turn it on when I see something, and then just keep streaming the charts. But I'm not in a rush per se. Actually, I see some volume here. Yeah, some volume coming in here, 50-50. So that's kind of interesting. So let's see if that's gonna do something. It's probably gonna do something. So 50-50. It's 50-50. It's always 50-50, right? It works or it doesn't. No, but the level 50-50, that's where the volume came in. So kind of curious to see if there's gonna fill there. Because that would be interesting then, right? If this is really the 40th level, like we're close, like 50-50. So it's kind of where I thought it would like sort of stall and pull back maybe to like 27, 28, like test the lower end of the overnight. But like I said, then it really needs to break down first before it really turns more bearish over bullish. And yeah, so far we're still above yesterday's high, 41, so for like 42ish. So yeah, there's nothing to celebrate yet for the bears at all, but yeah, I'll watch it. I'll keep a close eye on it to see if it can happen. So it's either right back at the 50s. Yeah, so this probably gonna take a while. Let's see if they're failing here now, then I might be interested in a small short to try. But so far, yeah, it's just actually it's might starting to look okay. Let me see. 50-50. It's just very close, and it's very early on the day, so I'm not sure if I should do that right now. 30. Yeah. I think if we go below like 47s ish, and then retest, it might be the first chance of a short setup. But right now, it first needs to break down. And you can say like, oh, why don't you buy it? Well, I'm not super comfortable buying it like after such a move up right away. I want to see more of a pullback first, like maybe even test this level. Then I might be interested in a buy, or if they push the lows of the overnight, and then buy close to the next level that we have. Maybe, yeah, but like right here, it's just not for me. It's not my thing to do. And because I'm streaming and don't want to force it, I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait. So let's see. Let's see. But I'm starting to see some signs of like there's definitely volume at the 50/50s that's gonna do something. So let's see if they can push above it in the next couple minutes or not. But yeah, let's just see. Yeah, so it was starting to sort of look like it's breaking down, but I was also trying to adjust the stream view of my platform, which apparently changes per view. Anyway, I'll sort it out later. But yeah, it's starting to look sort of. So the 50/50 clearly worked, right? Yeah, it didn't take it. It would have been a very nice trade. 5-6 points. Yeah, I'm not sure if I guess the thing of the day is I'm not sure, so probably you shouldn't do anything. But I might be looking into a short if this is also gonna fail and retest. So yeah, okay. Well, I guess it's failing. Interesting. All right, so I wasn't far up with the 48s here, right? It's clear rejection right now. Yeah, it's annoying a bit, but yeah, I wasn't ready to pull the trigger. It's just, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm back at 40. Okay, so interesting. Back to the open. Yeah, honestly, this might just go straight down from here. I'm not sure why they would want to keep it up and not test like 26, 27s. How do I get in? How do I get in? I'm not sure. I might go straight down from here. It's annoying. I'm marking the 50/50 level and I just wasn't ready to just hit it, you know? Yeah, let's have a look at this 50 seconds. It kind of looked like a good setup. It's always easy after the fact. So okay, so they're hitting VWAP here. So let's see if they bounce from it. They might very well do that still. So, and then the question is, do I want to short it still above VWAP if it's gonna bounce there? So there's a lot of things happening. I'm like, yeah, I don't know. And when I don't know, it's probably better to do nothing, even though it works. But you know, it is what it is. I'll just wait when it's really breaking down. I'll just wait for like a really good pullback if it's gonna get there, and then short it. But yeah, too bad I was missing this. Oh, it's 37 already. Wow, it's like I missed a lot. Yeah, that would have been nice. It's funny just looking at it, but yeah. Yeah, I shouldn't be. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's a stream or not. It's probably just me. Yeah, it would have been a nice short for sure. The 50-50 that I marked here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh well. Oh well. Yeah. Yeah, I mean that hit settlement round, so that normally should like give some kind of response, I guess. Yeah, I think below 48s now. I think we should sell it, but like, I need a good entry for that, and that's I'm not sure where that should happen. Could be 43s maybe. I'm not sure. Let's see how it reacts on this bounce. But yeah, VWAP is in the way. I'm not sure if I already want to sell it here. Probably not. Yeah, tough one. Ideally, I want to sell 43-ish. I think if they get there now. Yeah. Oh, it's so easy in hindsight, guys. Like trading is so easy in hindsight. 50-50s was the price. Yeah. Okay, one push to 43s or 43s to sell it. I think that might be good, but no idea if we're gonna do that. And then it needs to reject quickly, or yeah, it's over. Yeah, it's just stalling at VWAP. I wasn't too comfortable to sell VWAP, like 30 to 50-ish. Also would have worked. Wow. Now I'm getting slightly frustrated, I guess, so I need to watch myself. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get the bounce I want. It's annoying. And if we get the double bottom here from settlement, then it's also not nice to sell it after, right? So that means kind of strong. So let's see. Next plan. Need to break down lower, and then maybe test VWAP, something like that. Because here if it's going to be a double bottom, I'm not sure it's still super negative. If that makes sense to you guys. But let's see, like no trades are also okay. I'm just gonna keep telling myself that. No trades are okay. But for sure, I wish I want to have sold the 50/50s. Yes. Yeah, it's not really bouncing. Yeah, I cannot find this. I cannot find a good short entry. I would have shorted like 43s. I didn't want to short the VWAP here. Guess I should have, but that doesn't matter anymore. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait this out a little bit because I might get myself into a forced trade, and that's normally never working out. So, our news in 5 minutes. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. So thanks for telling me, Marcel. Yeah, I should have checked it. I'm really like I was super late and didn't prepare much. And I'll be right back after the news. Yeah, and I'll try to get the screen better in view during that. Yeah, be right back. All right, we're back. Yeah, I think I was able to get the screen better in view. Yeah, so the news command didn't do much, right? No, not really. Okay, well, let's see. What do we got here? Okay. Yeah, it's still negative. This might be an attempt to hold it maybe, but like, yeah. Well, let's see. Yeah, I'm still looking for a good short entry at this point, I guess, but seems to be seems to be a bit hard. Yeah, so I'll just wait. I'll just wait. I mean, like I'm still not gonna force it, even though I'm very disappointed by the 50/50s that I missed. But yeah, it's just going down. That's just like, it's close to where is that, right? 27s. It's close. It's very close. So here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'll try to contain myself and not do anything. So be right back when I see something. Yeah, I mean the long now is definitely something to look at, but it needs to go above settlement, and we're still, we're still about below VWAP, so it's not ideal, and I haven't seen like a really good rejection to. It's just kind of, yeah, I don't know. It's just there. But yeah, there's definitely a case now for the long. It's just like I want to be really careful, like at this level. Like it's just like I prefer to be in a short, I think. Just doesn't feel very long today. So I think you should sell like every uptick, but it's not upticking. Like it's just, you know, lower high, lower high, lower high. So it really needs to do something, and then make a fake out, ideally till like 41, 42s, 40-ish, 42s, something, and then yeah. Let's see. I mean, yeah. I'll just wait. But don't let me stop you taking it along, because like it can definitely work. Because if I don't take it, doesn't mean it cannot work. I'm just not super in the flow today, so I'm just trying to take really clean trades, and it's just not setting up. Well, the 50-50 was sort of clean, and I missed even that one. So I'm just gonna take it very easy today, or not take a trade at all. Or I might do more evals. Actually, it's still 90% off with Apex, so maybe I can do that. Yeah, let me think about that. And my Apex payouts should arrive tomorrow again, so let's see. That's also nice. But yeah, I'm not seeing the long still, and I need either like a really nice reject below, and then they buy it back, you know. But like this, yeah, for me it doesn't do much. Just sitting there. So yeah, be right back. Short 43, yeah, short 43, 42, 43 would be nice, yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'll yeah, probably it won't get there the way it's going right now, but yeah, you never know, right? No one knows, so yeah. Cool. Be right back. I'll keep watching it, but yeah. But it's just funny, like that. I had the 48s marked, and then I saw the volume at 50-50. It would have been really nice. It's down like, 20 points. I'm like, it's a lot. And I didn't really realize it, but it's like 20 points. I'm like, okay. Totally missed that. So, yeah, like really? Anyway, it is what it is, but Yeah, it's funny. It doesn't feel like 20 points. It's just, yeah. I don't know. It might be just a chill day. It might be still a good day to. Well, actually, it might not be a good day for challenges to the evals because it doesn't move. So yeah, what do you wanna trade? Right? You need volatility to do the thing. Yeah, might be just a boring day for me at least. I mean, I hope you guys shorted it at 50-50, like I was talking about. Hope you did. Yeah. So it's trying to sort of bottom here, but it's just doing with such a pace that I'm like not interested in it. So I'm definitely not gonna buy it. I'm still looking for a short entry, so it might have to be lower if they go there, but it might have to be VWAP now like 38s, 39s, 40s. Like, I don't know, but might not even get there. It's how it's going right now. So yeah, um, yeah, you should just short it. Just short it and don't look anymore. Right? Short it and come back in the end of the day. Yeah. Anyway, it's hard to get an entry like this, for me at least. So yeah. Okay. So it hit the 20. Yeah. So it hit the level that I was marking. Jesus. Oh, you guys saw it, right? I marked this like when it was still at 50. So yeah. Yeah. Got there. It got there. Okay. Yeah. That was the target. Yeah. Anyway, I'll wait it out. Yeah, so this might be the first place I could potentially be looking for longs. But yeah, I mean, it seems still kind of more likely, I guess, that they're gonna, test overnight lows. This could be good. 20 the PPC from yesterday. So this could work, and I'm inclined to want to try this. Guess I should. Okay, well, it's never easy, right? Jesus, like I'm so slow. Okay, well, this is the first significant bounce, I guess, sort of. Well, it's not much, but like better than it was. Yeah, so this this would have worked. 26 to 20, 3 points, yeah, that would be nice. Yeah, so I might try the retest to 27. 27? Yeah, maybe. It's still very iffy to me because we're below settlement. It's just like, it's not amazing, you know? It's like, it's not amazing. But yeah, something, I guess. They got me. I'll try, but I don't feel super nice about this, to be honest. I'll try, but it's super iffy. Yeah, okay, here we go already. They got me. Fuck. I'll try. This was the level I wanted to buy, so I'll try that one time. Yeah, this is not amazing. It's not nice. Because I'm saying short the whole time and now ending up being a long. Really? That sucks. Yeah, this is not good. I'll stop out here very quickly. Yeah, it's not nice. Yeah, this was pointless, guys. This is just like, I don't know why I did that even. I'm saying short the whole time. Yeah. What do you do? What do you do? Oh, now it bounces. I might be interested then. Let me take a really good look. It's 27. It needs to hold. Okay. I did some volume here. I might re-enter then, maybe. Should I really do this? I don't think so. It feels super tricky. I don't really like it, but it seems like they want to push it. So let's try to go with that. Yeah, it's now or never. Let's see. Come on, ready? Wow, it's so annoying. Okay. Yeah, still I feel it should be below that 200 lot, but no. It's a bit silly. It's a bit silly. Wow, front running me. Wow. Okay. Well, okay, so yeah, it sucks a bit, but now it might run. I just wanted to get back to. So this was kind of what I was. You did a boredom trade, and then it goes. You know, it's just. Hate myself for doing it, but yeah, it is what it is. So now they're at this level again, which might actually be a short as well. Now I look at it. Let's see more. Take a closer look. So they, yeah. So this 30 quarter, look right here. It might be a short actually. I mean, honestly, I'm not feeling it today. So yeah, you know, like it's like maybe just don't do anything. You know, but this felt like a little final trap to yeah, you know, to make their move. But yeah, what can I say? I don't know. It wasn't the best trading. Yeah, I feel like I should try to sell it now because it's been kind of what they're doing. I'll try, and it's probably gonna. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, I'm out. All right, well, I'm at least back positive. But yeah, this is honestly, this is gonna go make lower lows, I think. I think they're gonna test the overnight lows. So this trade was basically just to get back to break even. Now I'm up 250. Which is nothing because I'm copying some kind of accounts. Honestly, it's really not worth the effort. I should have been more patient still. Or managing it more actively, you know, like just short the 50-50s, and if it doesn't work, just get out ASAP. That would have been the play, of course. That would have been it. But it's so. I still think they're gonna go lower. So like this level 27 should still be sold, I think. It's just the way they're doing it is just so annoying. Yeah, see, there they go. There they go. Yeah, see, 27 was still a good sell. Or at least enough to, like, you know, give it some room. It's still not, there's still no lower low, but but to be fair, like if you look at a neutral place like this area here, volume from yesterday, it could still kind of hold it, you know, unless they make a lower low. So technically, I should not trade either long or short here. I think I should just wait for the break lower or a break above the 30 quarters, where I should have been short into. But yeah, this is not amazing. No. Yeah. And I'm still like, I'm not sure if I should even live stream. It's just like so much extra pressure, and I probably should trade. I will trade much more freely. Maybe I can just record it, you know, and do clips after it or something like that. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do with it, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I do like sharing things, you know. So yeah, I mean, learn a thing or two the last 16 years trading. So yeah, and as you can see, I still do things wrong, trying to stream. So you know, it's never really easy. Never gets really easy. You just get better in dealing with it. But yeah. Mm, yeah, so basically the P&L is nothing because it's just like it's 4 accounts copied. Yeah. Oh, actually, no, I copied more accounts, I guess. Hold on. Let me do the. It's still going down. See, like it's like, yeah. All right, let me connect all the accounts and see. Be right back. Yeah. So first I'm trying to copy her and gets on my nerves as well, I guess. But yeah. So it's not much, but copied 6 accounts, all funded accounts. Yeah. Let's see. And yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Looks like it kind of wants to hold. It's building some volume here, there's some, well, at least that. Yeah. Yeah, but then yeah, they don't need to be here, right here. Right here, right now. Yeah, this should hold then. 25.50, so here, ish. Yeah, this should hold, and then there is a chance of a bounce, sort of, I think, but yeah, I mean, I'm just not sure why they wouldn't hit the overnight lows. That's the thing. I can see the volume and things like, but I'm not sure why they wouldn't hit like overnight lows with some stops. But they don't have to, but like it just, yeah, yeah, would make sense to me, I guess, the way it's trading, which has just been down after that volume at the 50/50s. Gonna keep repeating it, like I missed the 50/50s. Yes, that's very annoying. Yeah. Oh, well, it's getting there. See, I should have just been short into that. Like, uh, so easy, guys. It's so easy. Oh my god, like, just hold until the overnight low. It's so easy. Man, this is a fun day again. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I said if they get there, I might be interested. And if they get some stops, which I guess is still true. But where? Should probably be like at least. Yeah, I don't know. 05. Maybe. Five. Level that we have, like maybe 11s. I don't know. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't think there's enough volatility for me here to comfortably do something at all. Like, yeah. So I don't know. That they're not hitting below it, it's kind of interesting to me. And I mean, they still could, but like, they might attempt to push it here if this is gonna hold. Yeah, so 20 here just needs to hold. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just not really believing it, I guess. So I'll see it when I see it. Yeah, this might work. I mean, they didn't hit stops below the overnight low. It's just kind of interesting to me. But yeah, they don't have to, right? So it's a bounce at least. But yeah, the bounce needs to be above the 2550 again, and ideally above the 2675. So let's see if they're able to do that, and then the retest might be okay. Yeah, I didn't feel comfortable just buying it. I mean, no. Yeah, pretty annoying day for me so far. Yeah. Hope yours is better. Hey, yeah, it's our footprint charts. Yes, yeah. Is that new to you, or I guess not if you know their footprint charts, but like. Oh, my voice is not getting better. Yeah, so I want to see. So they tested a 2675 that I marked, and it might still be a short there because I need it to go above it and then retest it, not like tag it and then go down. So now it's still not positive to me. So yeah, you know. Yeah, honestly, it should have still been a short, of course. Like, they should tag overnight lows, I think, below and then check it out. But just really not in sync today, and maybe because I just started late, and that could be. No, it is what it is, but you know. Yeah, I mean, and maybe I should just try more trades. Like, you know, don't give it much room. So short at 26.75 that I marked was kind of perfect. Yeah. I mean, you don't know beforehand, of course, but like it would have made sense, and I'm still thinking that they could push for lower lows. So I don't know. Yeah, I'll be right back, guys. Don't see anything. Well, I guess they're still trying, so it's kind of what I figured, but like, yeah, the way they do it is just, I don't know. It's annoying. Yeah, I'm still not sure if this should be a long. Well, it was a short, so that's the first thing. So should be in a short. But yeah, with a short, I would have exited here for sure, like at the previous low. So yeah, so let's see. I mean, I still think they would want to explore lower, but the way it's going, I don't see any significant buying. Oh, here they go. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, ideally if like, I'm also not sure where to short. Well, the short was here, like where I marked it. Like I should have just tried it, sure. But like, yeah, again, it's easy in hindsight. But um, yeah, it's just a little bit like close to the overnight lows, below IB low. It's like still, yeah, below VWAP, below BPOC, below yesterday's BPOC. So you know, it's just, yeah, not a lot to work with. Here, right here. But I can see a case they're trying to hold it here. I mean, yeah, I mean it is the overnight low. Yeah, you know, it's not moving very quick to the downside either. but yeah, on the other hand, it's just been trickling down, right, from the 50. So yeah, why would you want to buy it here? Is it enough discount here to buy? I don't know. for me personally. Not maybe not. So yeah. Oh well. Yeah, first sign of some buyers again. I mean, did test the overnight low now, right? So that's kind of a good sign, I guess. But yeah, need some follow through then, and then a pullback. So it's still not amazing. But I think I'm at the end of my stream. Like, I'm not really seeing much to do. So yeah. Yeah, so I'm probably not gonna do anything. So I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Hopefully I'll be back streaming tomorrow, but I don't know. If it's a day like this, probably not. And yeah. Oh yeah, give me those likes, guys. Okay, thanks, and see you later.